Good afternoon, wonderful kindergartners. We are in math right now, and we are going to go over our 3D shapes that we have been talking about this week. So our first one is a cone. Does everybody see the cone? Okay, that's our cone, and we've been talking about edges, vertices, and faces. Okay, so let's look at all of these. Do we see how the cone has 0 edges, 1 vertice, and 1 face? The cube has 12 edges, 8 vertices, and 6 faces. And then the sphere has 0 edges, 0 vertices, and 0 faces. Okay, so now we're going to come over here and we're going to talk about our last shape for this week. And that shape is a cylinder. Woo! Does everybody see the cylinder? Dun 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 dun. Okay, so this, everyone, is a cylinder. Okay, has anybody seen something that kind of looks like this before? Maybe like a drink can, right? Like a soda, like everybody knows Miss Barton loves some Dr. Pepper. So it kind of reminds me of a Dr. Pepper can, right? Let's see here, what about soup? Or even, I'm sure a lot of us have seen with the toilet paper rolls, right? And you can use those to build things, right? Well, those are called cylinders. Okay, so a cylinder, boys and girls, is a 3D shape. Okay, so let's talk about it. I want you to look at this. And do you notice how many faces does the cylinder have? Does anybody know? That's right, it has 2 faces. Remember, a face is something that is flat. So look, 1, 2. See how it can stand on that face? Or it could stand on that face. Okay, let's look. Do we have any edges? Do we see any faces where 2 faces meet? We do have 2 faces, but are those 2 faces touching each other? No. So do we have any edges on a cylinder? We don't. We don't. So we have 2 faces. We have 0 edges. Do you see any vertices on this shape? I don't either. So we have 0 vertices. So let's go on over to our anchor chart and let's add that information. All right, here we go. All right, kiddos, so here we are at our anchor chart. And so let's talk about how many edges did we say that our cylinder has? That's right, we have, sorry kiddos, let me get that in the shot. We have 0 edges. How many vertices did we say that we had? That's right, we have 0 vertices. And then last but not least, how many faces did we say that our cylinder had? That's right, we have 2 faces. Nice job, kiddos. So there are our 3D shapes for this week. Now what I want you to do is I want you to walk around your house and I want you to see if you can find these 3D shapes in your home and see if you can have mom and dad send pictures to your teachers, okay? I can't wait to see what you come up with. Love you guys.